In this exercise, we focus on text. In the toolbar, you can see a symbol that says, in the toolbar you can see a symbol with a T. If you hold this symbol, different tools appear. All those tools have to do with text. So you have an area type tool, a type on a path tool, and all these three tools are the same for vertical text. You have the vertical type tool, a vertical area type tool, and a vertical type on a path tool. All those tools can be used to adjust text and to make sure that the text is in a way that you would like it to be. So for example, if we use the area type tool, we can type in a certain area. So as visible here, we can type in this area. Now you do not really see the shape of the area because the font size is really big. In the menu bar, we go to properties, and if we go a bit down, we can change the size of the letters. And we can type, and as you can see, the shape of the area will already appear. Next to that, you can change where it should align to. You can change the font type, and you can give it another color. This can also be done on, for example, this path where you would like to have the text on a certain path. So you can click on the path and you can type. And this can also be done for vertical text. So you hold this symbol and go to vertical text. Click on it. And now you have vertical text inside this shape. And we can also type on this path, for example, by clicking on the path and then type stop. And next to this, you can also just create a text box by the type tool and then drag, and you can and this is how text works in Illustrator.